Hello everyone, I'm Wizix and I'm delighted to see you again for this brand new phase 1 of Fuze. In this tutorial, you will learn the basics of Maya from navigation to your first modeling project. Here, we don't just learn a series of tools, but a real workflow. So of course you learn the basics like moving around the viewport, manipulations, snapping, but also the deeper workings of Maya, such as its node engine, its scripting language, how a vertex is structured, what the outliner hides from us, and so on. In this tutorial, I'll share my workflow and my approach to creating 3D. Here, we're leaving behind textbook quads and a slow pace. Together, we'll see how to intelligently manage topology and customize our tools to be fast and efficient. Then, we'll wrap up by modeling an asset to get familiar with the basic modeling tools. I'll explain the basics of my hard surface workflow with 3 levels of shapes: form bevels, support bevels, and normal angles. So just so you know, this tutorial is aimed both at beginners in 3D and at those coming from another 3D software who want to learn Maya, and also for those in school, so students in 3D programs. And I guarantee you that by the end of these few hours of this tutorial, you'll already be quite comfortable with Maya. So I'll see you in just a moment to start your 3D learning journey with Fuze.